Hello and welcome to Security on Screen. My name's Peter Mawson and today I'm delighted to introduce you to Johan Jubbega. Johan is the president of the Open Security and Safety Alliance and also the general manager for Bosch Building Technologies. With over 20 years experience as a senior manager in the security markets, Johan has a passion for technology, customer relationships, and IoT in B2B environments. Johan, thank you for joining us at Security on Screen today.
It's a pleasure to be here, Peter. Thank you.
Johan, perhaps you can explain a little bit more and remind our audience as to what the Open Security and Safety Alliance, or OSSA, is all about.
Of course. The Open Security and Safety Alliance was founded just over 2 years ago. And actually, this was at a time where a bunch of companies came together and said, we see some developments in this industry and we need to do something about that in order also to speed up the changes in the security market and to help speed them up and be on the front of them. So first of all, we saw already 2 years ago this increasing number of IoT devices, not only security devices, safety devices, also other devices entering our industry. And not only that, also the SOCs that are often on them, and the camera is the best example. We see that they are getting increasingly powerful and generating a huge amount of data. So we need to deal with that, and especially in the context of that, in our industry, the utilization of data is very slim. Yeah, there is some utilization of data when it comes to retail applications, transportation, intelligent transportation, but overall, we use a fraction of data available that is generated in our industry. In addition to that, we have a fragmented industry, all the way from SOC manufacturers. They ship to the camera manufacturers. They make cameras which are not always interchangeable, which makes it difficult for the software world to integrate cameras, VMS providers, application developers, which in turn then also makes it difficult for system integrators to easily integrate applications from different areas. So knowing all of that and seeing what was happening in the market, these companies decided to found the Open Security and Safety Alliance. And the objective of this alliance, first and foremost, are to first of all create a common DNA on the devices, on the cameras, if you like. So create a common operating system which is not similar to everyone, but at least a common DNA in the operating system. Second of all, create an open marketplace. Wouldn't it be nice to have an open marketplace of applications where you can pick and choose your applications which are supported and which are easy to pay and install on your cameras in a B2B environment, but of course similar to what we see in other app stores. Lastly, but at least as important, is that we also raise the bar in this industry when it comes to data privacy and cybersecurity topics. So also there, we believe a common approach to tackle these issues will help the whole industry raise the bar and get to a higher level, while at the same time creating more innovation. Because if we tackle those topics together, we can all focus our efforts on innovation rather than getting the basics right. And of course, ultimately, this innovation will lead to better applications, better serving the end customers out there and the projects that we all work for on a daily basis.
Johan, that's excellent. That's really covered in depth what you're about, why you're about, and what you're delivering to the global security community and the users, most importantly. Thank you, Johan. We appreciate you offering that insight to us today at Security on Screen. Thank you.
Thank you.